In this session, we will speak about tasks and milestones. First of all, we can say the project consists of number of tasks. If this task is completed, so this is mean the project is completed. And we can define tasks as represents a specific part of work that need to be accomplished during the project. But milestones, it's a special kind of tasks with additional attributes you can use for a project tracking and reporting. Milestones always have the same start and end date. This meaning there is a duration of this task by days or even by hours is 0. Milestone is shown in the Gantt chart graph in the shape of decision or diamond, as we see here. We prepare our project in Excel file, as we see here. This is the item, task name, duration. First of all, this is the first task, it's the start of project. Second task is engineering phase, and it consists of tasks: site survey, design, approval on design, preparation, permit work. All of these tasks are a part of engineering phase. And now let's take a copy from tasks and duration and open blank project, and in tasks just paste all tasks and duration. Now we have a project. First of all, we need to create a milestone task for project start. You have two ways to create a milestone task. First, move over the ID and from tasks, insert ribbon milestone. You have now milestone task, and just paste here project start, it's the name for the task, and delete this task. This is one. The start date can be 10 of January, or let's return back, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. You can return it back before saving modification, and double click on the task. You have general, predecessor, resources, advanced. From advanced you can mark as a milestone. Now you have a milestone. Identify the start date. So now you have a milestone task. Second, you have main task or major task. It's engineering phase. Here the name of major task or main task can be considered as a summary task. So you can also, by the same way, from tasks, insert ribbon, summary, and now you have a summary task, and copy and paste the name and paste it here. So you have engineering phase. This is one method. Ctrl Z again. Or you have a child from the main task. This is mean the subtasks. You can use from tasks scheduled out dent or indent. Now it's indent. This is mean it's the part of major task. Here you can extend or collapse or tasks related to summary task. Design seems the same, it will be intent task. Approval in design, it will be intent task. Preparation, permit work, it's intent task. As we see here, before we prepare the intent tasks, the duration was 0. Return it back. Now you return back because we don't save anything. Here duration is empty, it's not identified. I just make intent, so it's 4 days. Intent 10 days more. Intent, okay, intent all of this is a part. Okay, let's identify the start of this task. Let we say this task will be started at 10 of January. Okay, and this task will be started at 13 of January, and this task will be at 15 of January, and this task will be at 17 of January. Now we can say the start of the summary task and the end of the summary task. It's the start of the earliest task and the end of the latest task, and calculated automatically. We can remove out from the summary task one of the child tasks or the intent tasks, yes, by going to outdent from schedule at tasks. So now it's out. How you can identify from collapse, you can find its standalone task. Again, we returned it. It's so easy to intend or outdent tasks. Now we have task mode. Let's say it's auto scheduled. So now you have all tasks in auto schedule mode. Okay, you can modify this task for 8 days, and this task will be started at 20 of the month. So this task will be ended by the 1st of February. This is mean the finish will be the 1st of February for the main task. Now I hope all of you understand the meaning of milestone task and summary task and how we can copy and paste all tasks from Excel to MS Project directly. Thank you and see you again.